Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for you, Dynasty, we happen to have one of our LS 441 cubic inch marine application designs. This motor consists of an aluminum LS block. It has the forged Eagle rotating assembly in here with a nice custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft, aftermarket Performance LS 3 style cylinder heads with the sheet metal intake. The Airboat motors come standard with the pulley system on the motor with a bunch of extra goodies as well. If you're interested in having one of these designed for your boat, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-267-3940. Let's take your dyno.
Hey Gary, I got your boat engine here on the dyno. It's the LS 441. We're going to fire it up, give you a run demo.